Hi, today we're in Bristol Harbor.
Hi and welcome back, and today we are in Bristol Harbour. We have a £300 budget to build our very own electric bicycles. Let's see what we've built.
So what do you get for your £300 budget then?
Right, I bought a Tongsheng 250 watt mid-drive unit. It bolts on in the bottom bracket. The battery I already had from a previous project, and it comes with a display and the controller's built in, so you don't have a separate control box. It's got a torque sensor on it, so it's good for off-road uphill.
Oh, what about your bike? What do you get that from?
Right, well the bike frame was given to me by my neighbour, and it was just a frame. The wheels I got from you, because you got given those. And the suspension I changed over to a D&M rear lockout air shock and a XC28 RockShox short Fox RockShox forks, which I sprayed red, and then I put disc brakes on it as well, which are cheap ones off of Amazon.
So how much did that cost you?
300 quid to make it functional. I put lock-on grips on it, bar ends, because I'm from that era. It's got the brake levers, came with the kit.
So how much was that in total?
About 300 quid. I mean, the bike itself didn't cost me a lot, but with all the gear and everything, 300 quid. So for an e-bike, that's pretty cheap. So what did you get for your £300 budget on your homemade e-bike?
Well, I've got this kit, the battery kit and the controller and the hub drive, mid-hub drive, and that was 230 quid I believe. And I've got the control box. It's also got a throttle. I don't know if we're allowed it in the UK, but we've got a little throttle there.
Yeah, it's all UK legal.
And also we have
it's a Fang one, isn't it? It's a good one.
Yeah, and also I've got the bike. I had the bike 20 years ago, so I paid 115 for it second hand 20 years ago.
Right. How much did you spend on that whole kit to make it an e-bike now then?
About £340, £345 in total. So yeah, I'm over budget by £45. So basically, Louis, is my bike better than yours?
Right, well, we've got two different kinds of bikes here, right? Yours is a hub drive kit, but the advantage of a hub drive kit is although you have a throttle and you do have pedal assist, you can still have 21 gears, 3 at the front, 7 at the back. However, the torque isn't as much, but you can get a bigger hub drive wheel. However, with a mid-drive kit, you have a lot more torque because it senses the tension of the chain, but you're only limited to one sprocket on the front.
But
however,
can I beat you in the race on this?
Well, that's what we'll have to find out.
So our next challenge is
we're going to race the hub drive against the mid drive, and they're both 250 watt, 36 volt.
only by throttle only.
Yeah, throttle only, no pedalling at all.
So it's from here all the way over here. Right, let's go for a little ride around Bristol Harbour. There you go, we're going around Bristol Harbour now. Unfortunately, it's going to rain. Cheer up. He looks a miserable git, doesn't he? iPhones on this. Need to get a bell, don't I? Sorry, thank you. Cheers.
So we decided to do some wheelies on our heavy electric bikes.
Let's go attempt the wheelie. Oh, not bad. Well, oh, that's not bad. No. There you go, further attempt.
Well, the jury's out on that one.
Oh, not bad.
With all that said and done, we decided to go on a cruise around the Bristol Harbour.
I just wanna make you smile.
And we're going along the Bristol Harbour.
Wanna brighten up your day.
Hello. Okay. Crash and burn. Yeah. Fucking twice I come off today. I got it on camera. Oh. Yeah. I tried to catch you up and I just spun out.
So as he mentioned earlier, he did come off once before, but we didn't have it on camera. Shame really, because it would have made a good laugh on the video.
I'm going to get off there because these tracks are dangerous, man.
How are you feeling now after that accident?
You know what? It's more pride than pain, really. That hurt so much.
Yeah, I would have felt
I should have said
I
I got road tyres on my bike at the moment because I'm using it for work, and as a result, it got caught.
There, aren't they?
It got caught in the ruts of the train track.
Although there's a big sign saying cyclists do not go down this way, but you never know.
Oh, fiddlesticks.
Oh yeah. But you know, when everyone's gone, we go out for, you know, a bit of bike to it.
Steve, he's not real, mate. He's not real. He's a statue.
I thought I was going to make a friend for once, you know what I mean?
Yeah, he's not writing you a love letter.
I thought he was.
No.
I hate you. Our love is no longer anymore.
Doesn't that giant silver ball remind you of something out of a 1950s sci-fi movie?
That was fun.
This is Lumiel, the Fairy Hotel Wizard, reporting live from Millennium Square. And a UFO has just landed right in the centre of the city, and here comes an alien. Oh my god, it's the alien called Steve! Hello! Yeah.
Bounty, unworthy servants. Bounty.
I'm not worthy. I'm not worthy.
Did you know this tree is a solar charged tree? I'll start again, solar charged tree. And the good thing about it, it's got USB ports so you can charge your mobile on it. How was your ride on your mid-drive bike?
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. They're great around the city centre, and we got to see all the sites, the statues, and history, and yeah, it was a good time. But yeah, homemade electric bikes are good.
Yeah, but they are good. I like going fast on mine.
Yeah, I don't like coming off mine.
I did. It was funny.
People are strange when you're a stranger. Faces look ugly when you're alone. Women seem wicked when you're unwanted. Streets are uneven when you're down. When you're strange, when you're strange, when you're strange. Welcome to Weston Super-Mare, also known to the locals as Weston Super-Mud, with its miles of golden stretch beaches, and also known for its second highest tidal wave in the world. So on the final day we decided to fool around on our bikes on the Golden Beach.
Here we go.
Right, dude. Yeah, just turn it on.
Not even pedaling in sight.
Doesn't matter. You must be what about now? Tell me how much do you love me? Doesn't matter. It's what you do.
Oh wow.
Got that, I think.
Tell me how much do you love
Need to get a bell. Do you want to see what it's like on the sand?
Was anything like that train track yesterday?
Go on,
Jeez.
let's go give it a go. Yeah, that'd be funny. Yeah.
Tell me how much do you love me?
I know. How about this way? I think this is the only way, I think. Sorry. How's it?
Moses Law. So there's my bro Steve taking his bike for a spin on the Weston Super-Mare sands. Well, I'm not even sure if you're allowed to ride a bike on it, but geez, that was quick. Where'd he go? Oh, there he is. But he seems to be doing alright. He is saying that his pedal assist isn't as quick, but 250 watt is regulated to 15 mile an hour. However, you can de-restrict them, but you're not going to get much more power out of it because of the voltage of the battery. However, I don't recommend overvolting a battery on that particular model because I've done that and I burnt mine out, which is why now I'm on hub drives, which has got more, why I'm now on mid drive, which has got more torque. You alright?
Yeah. Go straight, go straight.
Look, he's overtaking me.
I'm filming you.
I can't catch him up. I'll have to pedal now. That's the beauty of hub drive over mid drive, is that the hub drive is quicker on the throttle. However, the mid drive is quicker on the pedal.
That's sad.
How was it for you?
Oh, wonderful. It's the best ever.
I thought you were going to sing, that's why I didn't go under there.
He had a cigarette afterwards. All I did.
Yeah. Let's see something. Your meal?
So that's it, folks. Thanks for watching and see you on the next episode. But don't forget to like and to subscribe for more updates.